Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome back, back, back to another ASMR video. Today I finally have my keyboard and I'm going to be unboxing and testing it. So I'm gonna try to do this quietly. I've never done IRL. Oh, that was fun. I've never done IRL stuff ASMR before, so I hope that this is good. I know you can see like shadows from the mic and the camera stand, but I didn't really know how to get rid of them, so. Oh man, that's so hard to be quiet. I thought the bubble wrap would be nice for ASMR. It sounds pretty loud to me, but I guess that I can make it quieter in editing. that wasn't too bad. That actually sounded kind of nice, honestly. Okay, then set the keyboard aside. I know it's the main attraction. Just so that I can get these out. So these are little stickers with the label. It looks like the tiny sticker says Type C, so you know what USB it takes. Or not USB, but the USB plugs into it, and then the type that plugs into the keyboard. You know what I'm talking about. And then this labels the lights on the side. So I'll put that in the box as well. And then we have something called the accessory box. So let's see what's in the accessory box. Wow, that was loud. Oh my god. It appears that we have some switches. These are the Nimbus, I believe, version 3 switches. They are linear switches. I originally okay, one sec. This is what we use to pull the keycaps and the switches out. Oh, you can see my hand eczema. I keep trying to cover it with my sleeves, but my sleeves keep coming down, so I'm sorry about that. And then last in the box, we have the cable, because this is a wired keyboard. Very nice sounding. Okay, I'm gonna put these back in the box. Oh wait, I want you guys to. Oh, that sounds good. I'm trying to be fast-paced so that this stays entertaining, but I also want you to hear some nice sounds because it's ASMR, right? You can always skip to the sound test for the keyboard if that's all you care about. Oh, that sounds so nice. Oh, I might do some sounds with the box stuff at the end of the video. I don't want to do it for too long because I know you want to see the keyboard. That's why you clicked on the video, I'm sure. Okay, so I had the keycap and switch puller, but I don't know if I'm going to use it because I have never pulled keycaps or switches off of a keyboard, and I'm scared that I'm going to break it somehow. Okay. Finally, we have the keyboard. It looks like the plastic. Why are there hairs on it already? What? Okay. It looks kind of smudgy and dirty, but whatever. Okay. How does this? Oh, that comes off very easily. Oh, I love that thocky, sticky sound. I'm so excited to try the keyboard, you guys. You have no idea. I've been waiting for this keyboard for 3 months. Okay, this like, I don't know what it is. It's really soft. I mean, I know it's like a type of plastic, but it's like silicone-y or something. But it sounds really good. Okay, does this come off? Oh, it looks like it opens on this side, maybe. Okay. I kind of want to type through the silicone plastic because it sounds so good. But I want to hear the keyboard raw first, so I might put it back in this later so we can hear what it sounds like typing with it on because I bet it sounds great. love the way that this sounds. Okay, so this cute design that you are seeing right here is called the Magic Bear design. Okay, I might need scissors for this part, but this is definitely going to be too loud to do on camera, I'm sure. Okay, that was loud. I'm going to try to keep in as much of this as I can. Are my lights flickering or am I crazy? Okay. By the way, guys, did you notice that my sweater matches the keyboard? I also painted my nails for this video. I don't paint my nails very often because I hate having to take them off when they smudge, and I hate having to sit and not touch things for hours, otherwise they like get messed up. But whenever I do nail polish, it makes me feel very pretty. Okay. What the heck is this? Why is it coming off? Oh, it's a magnet. I think it was on backwards. What the heck? I don't know if you can see this. It's a little astronaut. I'm using my phone as a camera, so it probably won't focus. But yeah, it's a little astronaut. Oh, that's so loud. Okay. Okay. So, let's see the back of the keyboard. Because I know the back of the keyboard has a really cute design. This keyboard is very heavy, by the way. It is aluminum base, which is high quality, but heavy. Oh my gosh. I love the sound of stickers coming off things. Okay. I don't know if any of that information was private. I might have to blur it. So we have some silicone, I think. I'm so bad, I don't know different plastics, but I think they're silicone. Nubs. These ones are a little bit higher raised. These ones are lower raised so that the keyboard is at a bit of an angle rather than being flat, which is what you want. I mean, what a lot of people want. Not everybody, of course. But yeah, we have this very cute planet with a ring. Such a cute design. You're not going to see it much because you don't look at the back of a keyboard often unless you're traveling or something. But it is still very cute. Alright, let's get going here. Oh my god, my shoulder pops when I move and stuff. There's a little keyboard print on the blanket too. Okay. This video is so chaotic. I'm gonna have to edit out so much of it because of all the loud sounds. Okay. I want to type. Oh, all those keys. Oh, guys, wait, listen. I'm not even typing and it sounds heavenly already. I hope you can see these little designs good. It gives off Sailor Moon vibes with the little wands, with the wings and stars, and the little moon, and these cute little bears with their little wizard and witch hats. This one's particularly cute with its little bow. So cute. I love the space part says magic. I love that it is a checkered design. Alright, ready for the typing? We can turn the knob first, actually. It's got light clicking. It's a little loud. these keys do besides the delete one. I'm gonna have to look that up. ENOPLIPO. Okay, sorry. Guys, I'm really ADHD if you can't tell. I'm sorry if it's annoying. I love when the F and J keys on keyboards have a little raised part. I don't know how I feel about them being super tiny dots. They kind of feel like crumbs or something. I like my current keyboard has a little line. But I like when they let you know where they are, so you can rest your keys, your fingers immediately, and kind of tell even if you're not looking where they are. We're getting really late into the video and I still haven't typed. Let me type for you guys. I like the sparkle in the candle, and this looks like a little ghost with that. Okay. Also, I really like the font. It looks like little drawn letters. I know a lot of people hate like sans and like bubbly or drawn looking letters, but I love them. I think they're cute. Alright, ready? Oh wait, oh my gosh. This was worth every dollar, every 100 of them. Let's see what the big keys sound like, because they always sound different. Oh, it sounds like ceramic. Oh wait. Spacebar is most important, because when you're like jumping in a game, you're slamming down on this. I'm not going to slam down on it because I want this to be quiet and relaxing, but that's not too rattly. A lot of people like their spacebars to be pretty silent. It's nice that it makes a little bit of a noise. I can slightly hear the spring in the switch, but that is okay. It's not bad. $100 for a keyboard. $100 is a lot of money, but for a keyboard, that's not too bad. So for the price, I'm not going to be too ANAL about little things. Okay, let's type. Let's pretend like we're typing something. Wait, which one's the O? Oh, that's an Should I put my little light labels on? Okay, I might go get a little plug-in for my outlet so I can plug this bad boy in and we can check out the RGB. So I will be right back. Okay, I plugged it in, I turned the lights off, and I zoomed in a bit so that you can see this better. It has south-facing LEDs, but my camera is currently on the north side. I'm gonna flip the video in post, so it'll be opposite for you, but you do want south-facing RGB because then you can see it while you're sitting and typing. But for recording this, it might not show up as well. So here we go. Oh, okay, I don't need the manual. So this is blinking. This is changing colors. Oh, look at this, it's reactive. Whichever line I type on, the whole line lights up, including the F keys and the bottom row. Very nice. Let's do them all really quick. Very pretty. Twinkle, 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 twinkle. Like Christmas, very pretty. Oh, it's kind of raining. Very light color changing. Very nice. I like that. Oh, why did it turn off? Alright, we're back. Oh. Oh, I like that. Oh, when you do the escape, it goes all across the keyboard, look. What about down here? Oh, it does the opposite down here. Oh my gosh, this is like healing my inner child. Okay. Let's try typing a bunch. Oh, disco party, what the heck? If you're a fast typer, then this mode won't do much unless you take breaks like let me think of the next paragraph. Oh, I know. What else should I type? Oh, I know. You know? Or if you want to do ASMR. Okay, next one. Oh, very slow twinkles. This looks so good from the bottom, by the way. I hope it looks as good up there for you guys. Why does it stop? Oh. It stops when you don't type for a minute. Okay. We've got a little snake going on. I'm moving him around too much. Okay, let's start it again. Very nice. Yeah, it just does that while you type. Here we have solid rainbow going across. Very nice. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm being a little too fast and I'm moving too much and squeaking my chair. I haven't made ASMR in a while. And I'm not relaxed enough. I'm so giddy and excited that I'm being a little bit like chaotic and loud. I really hope it's okay, I'm sorry. Oh, interesting. This lights up a single key. Oh, that makes this more satisfying. I could make ASMR with this keyboard for hours. I might make another one in the future where I don't talk and I just like do the RGB and different typing things. Oh, what did I do? I activated a new mode without pressing the knob. That's really weird. I wonder if it's one of the F keys. What the heck? I swear I didn't touch the knob. What the heck? Okay, well I guess we're done with that mode then. Oh, this one's spinning around. That looks so cool from underneath. It's like, oh, do it again. It's like a, one of those little wind fans, but it's colored. Well, I guess they're colored too, but it's lighting up. This is so pretty. Oh, here we have it going downwards. Guys, there are so many different RGB options. If you're really into RGB, this keyboard is great. Oh, keep doing it. Yeah, they're going down. That's nice. I like the ones that are reactive when you type. Oh, this one is good too. I would love to get 420'd and sit here and watch this. I've never done mushrooms before, but I imagine doing those and watching this would be really cool. So nice. Very relaxing. If you had like a nighttime office job, oh, I love it so much. Oh, interesting. These keys are lit up, and these keys are lit up. I think it's WASD, the secondary WASD, and the escape button. This is gamer mode. Gamer mode. You don't usually use both at the same time. Just do this. It's blue. Oh, and I think we're back to office mode. To keep it professional. They're supposed to be white, but they look pink to me, maybe because of the keycaps. Or maybe the red switches. This is if you want RGB, but you have to keep it professional. Or if you just hate colors. Fading out and fading in. Oh, okay. It ends too quickly. I wish that it sat there and did that for a little bit longer. Very nice. Okay, I think we've already done these. I have such a bad brain. Oh yeah, we have. This is the raining one. Oh, I love the raining. I want to go back to the one where it really reacts to your, yeah, this one's cool too. I wish there was a smaller version of this, so only a couple around it reacted. Oh wait, this isn't like the one where it reacts to just a little area. This one reacts the whole keyboard. I think we did this already, but I'm not sure. Let's try typing. So while you're typing, it really lights up. And then you stop. And it stops immediately. Very cool. I like this one where it only lights up the key you type on. In the future, whenever I do a video of just typing, I'm gonna have to do it on my cat's schedule when they're napping or something. So unfortunately, that is all the